the dark, you lit me up. You made me feel as though I was enough. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. Minute I was stone cold sober, I pulled you closer to my chest.
Fallera Mayor Infantil para el nuevo ejercicio 2016-2017 a la fallera de esta comisión, niña Sofía Pascual Mas.
Fallera mayor para el nuevo ejercicio 2016-2017 a la fallera de esta comisión, señorita Amparo Esteve García.
When you looked over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now.
Vaig a presentaros a la fallera major infantil del 50 aniversari. Aquesta xiqueta és Sofía Pascual Mas.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down. I'm the one for a good time call, phone's blowing up, ring on my doorbell. I feel the love, feel the love. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3. Turn back till I know it's gone.
Tinc el plaer de demanar-vos, per favor, falleres i fallers, amics i amigues, donem l'aplaudiment més fort per a rebre a la nostra fallera major per a l'exercici 2017, el del 50 aniversari, a la dona Amparo Esteve i García.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you see us? Another start, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now?
plenes de valenciania, plenes de sentiment, plenes d'il·lusió, plenes de falleres de la Comissió de la Falla Ramiro de Maeztu Humanista Furió, que arriben per a fer la seva ofrena de flors en l'any del seu 50 aniversari. Amparo Esteve García, fallera major de Ramiro Maeztu Humanista Furió, fent la seva ofrena a la Mare de Déu dels Desemparats.
These shallow waters never met what I needed. I'm letting go a deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea. Am I breathing alive? Where are you now? Where are you now? Under the bright but fading light, you set my heart on fire. Where are you now? Where are you now? Atlantis, under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The monster's running wild inside of me. I'm fading. Oh, I'm fading. I'm so lost. I'm fading. I'm fading. Oh, fading. When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. I was running from my brother and his friend. Tasted the sweet perfume of the mountain grass as I rolled down. I was younger then. Take me back to when I found my heart and broke it here. Made friends and lost them through the years. And I've not seen the roaring fields in so long. I know I've grown. I can't wait to go home, and I'm on my way. Driving at 19 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. $15 years old and smoking hemp cigarettes, running from the lawn to the backfields and getting drunk with my friends. Had my first kiss on a Friday night. I don't reckon that I did it right. I was younger then. Take me back to when we found weekend jobs. When we got paid, we'd buy cheap spirits and drink them straight. Me and my friends have not thrown up in so long. Oh, how we've grown. And I can't wait to go home, and I'm on my way. Driving at 90 those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. the sunset over